Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick update video regarding the RekonFPV Rekon 7 Pro long-range quadcopter which I have recently reviewed. In my review I mentioned that I'm going to test this quadcopter again using a 21700 6S lithium-ion battery pack, as the lithium-ion battery packs that I've previously tested this quadcopter with just weren't powerful enough. So in this video I'm going to perform an endurance test and see how long and how far this battery can get me. The weight of this homemade 21700 4Ah 6S lithium-ion battery pack, which I've borrowed from a friend of mine, is about 445 grams, and the total weight of the battery and the Rekon 7 Pro is 976 grams. So that's a pretty heavy all-up weight, but still it is lighter than the all-up weight including this ZOHD 4S2P 7000 mAh battery pack, which was just too heavy for this setup and made it feel underpowered. And after testing out the 6S 21700 battery pack, I can tell you that it performed way better than this 4S 18650 lithium-ion battery pack, which just couldn't handle the relatively high current draw of the motors, and it also performed slightly better than this 4S 21700 battery pack. As for the results of the endurance test, which I'm about to show you, I could cover a total distance of about 13 kilometers in 10 minutes, so I think that this setup is a good option in case you need something powerful that will be able to easily handle high winds and also carry a full-sized GoPro camera. But in case you just want to get far on a calm day and you don't care about carrying a full-sized action camera, the smaller Rekon models are going to be a better option, and especially the Rekon 4, which has, in my experience, the most efficient setup out of the bunch. Now, of course, I didn't test all the available options, including different batteries and different propellers, but I still think that the results that I got pretty much gives us a good idea of what this drone is capable of. Now I'm going to show the endurance test, so I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.